In this video, we will learn how to find the GTA5.exe file for FiveM. The exe file of Grand Theft Auto 5 can generally be found in the install location of your Grand Theft Auto game, and in order to find it, you need to head to the launcher you are currently using. As I am using Epic Games, I'll just show you the Epic Games way of finding the exe file. So from the library section, you need to firstly find the Grand Theft Auto 5 that you have installed. After the installed file has been found, click on the three dots on the right side of the game. From here, click on Manage. After clicking on Manage, you can see the installation tab in here which shows the size. From here, you need to just click on the folder icon, and the GTA5 exe file location will be popped up in here. From here, you can easily find the GTA5.exe that is required by the FiveM detection method. Now, during the installation of FiveM, after the download is complete, when it asks to locate the GTA5.exe file for you, you can just head to this location and select the GTA5.exe for your FiveM. So this way you can easily find the GTA5.exe for your FiveM and enjoy the game. Thank you for watching. Subscribe to our Topical Talks channel for more videos.